We are looking at exercise 7.2. This is question number 8. Now let's see the solution of this question. So we want the question is the following is a probability density function of continuous random variable x. F of x is x by 8 for x which lies between 0 and 4, and f of x is equal to 0. Otherwise, find the expression for CDF of x. You have to find the expression also. And secondly, you have to find f of x at x is equal to 0 0.5, 1.7, and 5. So these are the two questions over here. So let's see how do we go about it. So if I want to explain what is CDF, CDF, that is cumulative distribution function of a continuous random variable, okay, that is x is given by minus infinity to x f of x dx. So this is how it is defined: minus infinity to x f of x dx. Okay, this is also represented by a capital F of x. So minus infinity to x, but in the question we have been given that the function is defined from 0 to 4, that is x lies between 0 and 4, and if I go till infinity, minus infinity, here it is 0. So it is defined only in this interval, and the function in this interval is given to you. So what I'll do is I'll split this minus infinity to x in two parts. The first part is minus infinity to 0, this one, and the second part is 0 to x, this part. So this is again a function f of x dx. We write f of x dx over here. We write f of x dx over here. And the value of this first part, since from minus infinity to infinity it is otherwise, that is it is 0 otherwise, so this first part will give me, the integration is 0. The first part will give me 0, and I will evaluate this part, that is by using 0 to x. The function given to you is x by 8 dx. 1 by 8 will come outside. Integration of x, what is integration of x, is 1 by 8. Integration of x is x square by 2, 0 to x. If I put the upper limit, okay, 1 by 16, 8 to the 16. If I put the upper limit, I get x square. If I put the lower limit, I get 0. And finally, we get x square minus x square minus 0 is x square only. So x square upon 16 is the answer. That is what you get for capital F of x. Now it is also asked find f of 0.5. So if I want f of 0.5, I'll put 0.5 over here. 0.5 square divided by 16. Now 0.5 is again nothing but 1 by 2. I can write this as 1 by 2 square upon 16. So 1 by 4 upon 16 is 1 by 64. Similarly, we can find f of 1.7, which will be 1.7 square divided by 16, which is 2.89 divided by 16. If you divide this, you get 0.18. And the third one again is f of 5, is 5 square upon 16, which is 25 by 16. Okay, but again understand, when I put f of x at x is equal to 5, okay, I might get this answer 25 by 16. Okay, but now you need to understand the function at x is equal to 5, okay, will be 1. Okay, will be 1. Why is it so? Because eventually you can see the function is defined from 0 to 4. Understand this? So this will not be a case where we substitute the values. We have been given the function is defined only from 0 to 4, as you can see over here. So I can say over here, since the function, that is x, is lies between 0 and 4, and I have been given x is equal to 5, okay, and x is equal to 5 is definitely a value which is greater than 4. Okay, this value is greater than 4. So for any value which is greater than 4, the function will return value as 1. Function will return the value as 1.